Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I am going to review about UPES Dehradun. So UPES stands for University of Petroleum and Energy Studies. It's established in 2003 under the UPES Act of Uttarakhand Legislature Assembly. This is a very renowned private university, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. The University of Petroleum Engineering and Sciences has 7 schools: School of Engineering, School of Business, School of Design, School of Health Sciences, School of Law, School of Computer Engineering, and School of Modern Media. So you have a different pool of options to choose from. So there are different kinds of branches in UPES Dehradun, ranging from engineering to business to healthcare to mass media or media in general. So you can choose from various variety of branches and then find the best fit of your branch. So now we will be discussing some important factors about UPES Dehradun. So now the most important criteria when we are going to review a college is the NIRF ranking given by the government about this college. So now I will tell you the NIRF ranking of UPES Dehradun. The overall ranking of 2022 is 65. For law it's 21, engineering 61, management 41, BBA 22, law 23, and engineering private college by India Today is 33. So these are the rankings which UPES Dehradun has received recently in last 1 or 2 years. So it can be helpful for you to choose a college. And if you are a BTech or BE aspirant, then NIRF 61 is the rank given by NIRF to UPES Dehradun. So moving on, we will be seeing the various aspects of this college. So as every college has, it has all the basic amenities what you will need. It has some high-tech labs and a lavish campus, which is very beautiful. You can see in the video here. I will be attaching some footages of the campus. So now, whenever you go to a college, you must be expecting a great education, and after getting educated from that college, you must get a fully paying job. So the most important aspect from any college is placements, how the college does in this placements. So now I will tell you about the placement statistics of UPES Dehradun for the year 2022. So the highest package was INR 50 lakhs. Yes, you heard me right. The highest package is 50 lakhs. Average package goes around 5 to 5.97 lakhs, which is pretty decent amount considering the college. The recruitment sectors are around 20 plus sectors are recruiting, and the college has given total number of 3,500 plus recruitments with 2,300 plus unique offers. The highest stipend offer for a student in this college was 1,50,000 per month, and as the college says, it will provide you a 100% placement guarantee and placement guidance for next 5 years. So the top recruiters in UPES Dehradun are Boeing, Deloitte, USI, EMST, Young, KPMG, PYC, PwC, and other various offers. So now moving on, the most important aspects which everyone will look forward while choosing a college is the fee structure of the college. So now I will be telling you about the fee structure of this college. So for BE or BTech courses, the tuition fee is around 9 to 26 lakhs per 4 or 5 years of your engineering. The fee for MBA is around 8.58 lakhs to 26.14 lakhs. For BSc it's around 3.3 lakhs. For BBA it's around 5.41 lakhs. For MSc it's around 2.06 lakh, and for MTech it's around 2.32 lakhs. So this fee will depend on various factors, the amount of scholarship you get into this college and the amount you spend on the hostel fees. So it's everything will be included in the fee itself, and you will be getting a lot of amenities in this college. You will be getting great hostels in this college. You will getting 2-bed 3-bed occupancy according to the your preferences, and you have to pay extra charge for your hostel accommodation. So the college fields will range from around 2 to 4 lakh for BTech courses, and the last date for applying for BTech is 21st of October. And if you are a JEE mains students or a 12th pass out, and if you are struggling to get any college, then here is a good news for you. UPS Dehradun also does direct admissions on the basis of your 12th marks. So if you are a student who has a good marks in 12th but have a low rank in JEE mains and haven't applied for UPS entrance examination, then you can try for this application procedure, and you can definitely get an admission depending on your scores and the rank list published by the college. If you are interested in getting admission to this college, you can go to the description box. There is a number and a link. You can apply on that link, and you can contact the number for the further admission details about UPS Dehradun. So this was all about UPS Dehradun. Let me know in the comment section if you want to know anything more about UPS Dehradun or any other Indian private institute or government institutes. I will try to bring up a series of colleges and their reviews on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more such content, please subscribe to this channel.